Good morning, class. I hope that all of you will be fine and safe at your home. And today, before starting, I want to ask that whatever we have explained, I have explained lot of things. Have you completed your work? See, you have lots of time, and this time you should utilize. Okay, don't misuse it. Use this time and try to complete your work. Okay. So today we will complete the remaining chapter. As I have told you that we will complete exercise and question answer. So let's see. So let's start. See, first of all, you will write keywords. Okay, amendment and ex officio. These two keywords you will write. And now let's see the exercise. In exercise, we will start from MCQs. So in MCQs, the Constitution gives us information about composition of government, structure of the government, both of these. So you know that the Constitution gives us information about composition of government and also structure of government, means both of these. Now second is there, the disputes between groups of people have to be resolved. Okay, disputes means vivad. Okay, fight, we can say any types of quarreling. So these can be resolved by peacefully. Okay, another is who committed sati in Rajasthan in 1987. Three names is here: Roop Rani, Roop Kamar, and Ritu Kamar and Roop Kamar. So she was Roop Kamar. Another is which act gives the right to a daughter to be treated as equal to a son? Okay, which act gives the right to a daughter to be treated as equal to a son? Its answer will be Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005. Okay, next, fill in the blanks is here. The constitution of a country is the fundamental law of the land. Okay, the constitution of a country is the fundamental law. Got it? Next, all the laws in the country should be in agreement with the provisions provided in the constitution. Provision provided in the constitution. Got it? Now, India is a which type of country? Democratic country. India is a democratic country. Next is dash 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 is the practice of demanding and giving cash or valuables for a, actually some words has been hidden, so you can see dowry system, DOWRY, dowry system. Now see the next page. These all you will write in your copy. Got it? Now next, on the screen you can see the remaining questions is there. First is one word substitution. So let's see. What blinds the society? Which things blinds the society? Okay, that is social evils. Social evils. Okay, next, what are invented to resolve conflicts in a peaceful manner? That is constructive dissent. Constructive dissent. Okay, next question is What is the document against which neither the government nor the people can go? What is the document against which neither the government nor the people can go? What is the name of that document? That is called Constitution. That is called Constitution. Okay. Now let's see the fourth one. What is the creative way of showing dissent called? That is called constructive dissent. Okay, constructive dissent. Got it? Okay. Now let's start question answers. First question is on the screen. What is the definition of constitution? What is the definition of constitution? Let's see. On the screen you can see first abstract. Constitution is a set of rules according to which the government of a country function. Okay, got it? And a right of the people. Clear? And right of the people. This you will write in your first short. Now second short we will see. On this screen you can see second short is there. What is meant by dissent? What do you understand by dissent? I have told you that in starting dissent can be two types. Okay, dissent can be two types. I think on the screen you can see short second is here, page number 202. When a law made by the government is against the interest of the people, then people protest the law by showing their dissent, or called dissent. Clear? Now let's see third short. On the screen you can see third short. What are laws and why do we need them? What are laws and why do we need them? So for that we will go on page number 200. I hope this is 200. Okay class, so first we will go on page number 200 and let's see. In page number 300 we will start from here. There is a close relation. Please listen it carefully, okay, so that it will be very easy to find out question answers if you have the book, and you can also write from here. There is a close relation between laws and the constitution. All the laws are based on the provisions provided in the constitution. Neither the people nor the government can go against it. Got it? And continue. We will write also this paragraph. Laws are meant for the welfare and security of the people. They serve as means of bringing about social change and establishing an egalitarian society. Got it? Okay. Now we will see the next question. I hope that you will understand. Question is, where did Mahatma Gandhi break the salt law? Okay, it's a simple short question. For this you will write, okay, for this you will write Mahatma Gandhi broke the salt law, comma करके Dandi, a village on the west coast of India. Clear? It's a very short question. Now we will see the long question answers. First question is on the screen. How does the constitution play a vital role for a democratic nation? Clear? Let's see. For the answer of this question, you will go on page number 200 and you will write from here. I can show it so it will be easier for watching. The constitution gives us information about the composition and structure of the government its powers and functions, the rights of the people, etc. There is a close relations between laws and the Constitution. All the laws are based on the provisions provided in the Constitution. Neither the people nor the government can go against it. Got it? It will be the answer of law first. Clear? You can write this. Now, next long we will see. Let's see second long on the screen. What is dowry? Question is there. What is dowry and why is it considered an evil? What is dowry and why it is or is it considered an evil? Let's see its answer. For this we will go on page number 200 and 201. Let's go. We are on page number 200 and from here we will start page number 200. Dowry is the money or gift that parents gives to their daughter at the time of the marriage. Now we will go on next page 201. Okay. However, slowly it has grown into social evil as the family of the boy demanding large sum of money from the girl's parents. Got it? Okay. Now we will see the next question on the screen. You can see next question is there. Under Section 6 of Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005, what are the succession rights of a daughter? Okay. For this, we will write from here. The succession rights of a daughter are, here you will write R-A-R-E-R given below. Okay, and you will go on page number 201 and 202. Let's see. On the screen, you will see in case study Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005, and you will start from here. After writing that given below, you will write from here. First point, see on the screen long third, the daughter of a person by birth is treated as equal to the son. Clear? First point. Now we will go on second point. I hope that you can see on the screen clearly. The daughter has the same right in the parental property as she would have had if she had been a son. The daughter shall be subject to the same liability in the said parental property as that of a son. The daughter is allotted the same share as is allotted to a son. And the last one is the share of the predeceased daughter shall be allotted to her surviving child. These you will write. Okay. Now we will see the next question. On the screen you can see which event initiated the provision of Sati Act 1987 being passed. Which event initiated the prohibition of Sati Act 1987 being passed? Okay, let's see the answer. Initiated, I have told you before, initiated means start karna. Okay, start, begin, arambh karna, start or begin. Let's see, we will go on page number 201. I hope that we are on page number 202. 2 and this is 201. Okay. You will write from here Sati till here. See. Sati was the age-old practice in India in which women were forced to burn themselves on the funeral pyre of their husbands. In some cases, it was done willingly, but mostly it was done unwillingly. The Commission of Sati Prevention Act 1987 prevents the Sati Commission of Sati and its glorification. This law was passed in 1987 when Rup Kanwar committed Sati at Deorala in Rajasthan. The incident generated widespread reaction from all over the country. Got it? This was the answer. Now let's see. Mostly we have completed the all question answers on the screen. You can see we have completed these all. You will write in your copy. Okay, it will be very useful for you and also learn them. Now we will see the whole question answer together. You will write like this. You will also write the date. When you will start this chapter, you will write the date also on the screen. Then you will write first chapter first, the role of the constitution. And why I am showing this, I am showing these all question answer together so you can easily write them. First you will write word meaning. Amendment ex officio. Amendment means proposed changes to the constitution, and for it by virtue of one's position in office. Then you will write short answer. On the screen you can see what is the definition of the constitution. Constitution is a set of rules according to which the government of a country function and rights of the people. Second, what is meant by dissent? When a law made by the government is against the interest of the people, then people protect the law by showing their dissent. Clear? Now, next question. What are the laws and why do we need them? Clear? For this we will go on next page. On the screen I hope that you can easily see. There is a close relation between laws and constitution. All the laws are based on the provision provided in the constitution. Neither the people nor the government can go against it. Laws are needed for the welfare and security of the people. They serve as a means of bringing about social change and establishing an egalitarian society. Next question. Where did Mahatma Gandhi break the law? Salt law. In answer, you will write Mahatma Gandhi broke the salt law, Dandi, a place on west coast of India. Now next question. How does the constitution play a vital role for democratic nation? Clear? Let's see. The constitution gives us information about the composition and structure of the government, its powers and functions, the right of the pupils, etc. plus answer third of short first part. Like this you can also write. Clear? Now next question. What is dowry? What is dowry? What is it? Why is it considered an evil? Dowry is the money or gift that parents give to their daughter at the time of marriage. However, slowly it has grown into a social evil as the family of the boy demand large sums of money from the girl's parents. Clear? Now next we will see next question. Under section 6 of the Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005, what are the succession rights of a daughter? Under section 6 2005 of the Hindu Succession Amendment Act, the succession rights of a daughter given below. The daughter of a person by birth is treated as equal to the son. The daughter has the same rights in the parental property as she would have had if she had been a son. The daughter shall be subject to some liability in the said parental property as that of a son, and the remaining points is here. Clear? Now let's see next. Here you can see the last answer is on the screen. Which event initiated the prohibition of Sati Act 1987 being passed? Sati was the age-old practice in India in which women were forced to burn themselves on the funeral pyre of their husbands. In some cases it was done willingly, but mostly it was done unwillingly. The Commission of Sati Prevention Act 1987 prevents the commission of Sati and its glorification. This law was passed in 1987 when Rup Kamar committed Sati. Okay, now the remaining on the screen I have told you before. Okay class, so if you are unable to understand, if you have any query, if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment box or in the WhatsApp group. You can also ask, which is made by the school. Okay, you can ask your doubt, you can write these doubts and ask in that, and time to time complete your work. Okay, you have the time and you can easily complete your work. Okay, in next video I will teach you geography, second chapter. Okay, and if you have the book, you will read the chapter before starting. Okay, when I will start the chapter, then before you can read that whole chapter, and you can also write the hard words and also the hard words of this chapter, which I have told you between explanation. Okay, and don't make pressure on your parents. You have no need to buy book. Okay, on the screen I am teaching you Here you can see your book, and in your previous year's notebook you can write your question answers, but it will be good if you will write on the same subject copy. Okay class, thank you.